video, it's about another company that I met at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. Vista Lab, it's a Kickstarter project about a small telescope for beginners and or for kids, that it's going to be used with your cell phone, that you put it on top of it. They contacted me a few months ago to see if I wanted to do a video about this product. But I felt that back then was not the right time. I like to do my homework, and I watched several YouTube videos from other astrophotography channels and the comments. He was able to clarify most of it for me.
Hi guys, the fans from Astro-Nerd, and I'm very happy today to meet Diana. And I'm very happy to show you guys, this is our portable AI telescope. As you know, we already launched it on the Kickstarter and finished it recently. It's raised over 200,000 USD dollar, and thank you guys for backing us. And what about this product is that you know, the traditional telescope is very huge, expensive, and hard to use. So we want to make it simple for beginners to learn astronomy, like kids, students, and any freshmen. And how does it work? You just need to place your smartphone on this telescope, and we can shoot the stars by the app. Let me show you this M45, and we have also AI assistant inside to answer all the questions from the kids and the students. You know, kids always have tons of questions, so you can reply it. And also we have different modes like like landscapes, birds, and the solar system, and all the stars here. It will recommend it based on where you are and what time is it. Once you choose one, and we have, of course, put it on the telescope. And then we have an indicator here. Look, there's a green spot. You move it towards the stars. Once the spot moves to the center and made the indicator green, means you are in the right direction. And then you press the button for camera. And then we will, in default mode, we will take like 35 photos and then stack into one very clear star photo. And of course, in future, we will have a pro mode for you to stack like hundreds of photos for a stack.
So as part of doing my homework and watch several of the prior videos on this product, and lots of the comments that generated those videos, is the tracking capabilities. So I asked Chris, please explain to me and to everybody if this device is capable of doing tracking, and if it's not right now, if it's going to be.
In future, we will have an equatorial mount for this product. Just put it here in the center between tripod and also the telescope. And it can be controlled by app, and also could be controlled by manually. And this is what we are right now launched on our website. This is what is it. So we sell it $30. Yes.
This is a very small telescope, 9.4 inches long by 4 inches tall by 1.73. Optic type refractive, aperture 32 millimeters, focal length 360 millimeters. It uses the type of optical glass used to make lenses for high quality binoculars, spotting scopes, and rifle scopes. It's a very light telescope and weighs less than 1 pound. Vista Lab offers several packages, one of them for 2 devices, $448. for one device and all the accessories, $367. The device and the tripod, $269, and just the device for $229.
For our project, we finished the Kickstarter and we will prepare to ship it at February or March, and it's right now in mass production. And later, right now we still sell on Indiegogo. You guys can scan the code here. We have a link tree. You can buy it still right now on Indiegogo at a very great price. And then we will launch it on our own website in March or April, roughly. So it's like 1 or 2 months later.
We need to understand that it's for entry level, beginners levels, and also designed for kids to start getting interested in stargazing and astronomy. So I hope that you enjoyed this presentation from the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, and I'll see you in a few days.